Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before I go any further, please go down to the description below and hit the post notification bell because we need you guys. We need some comments. So right now, while you're there, because I said it, go comment Premium Fam down there so we know you're there, and I'll give you a little heart on your comment. But in this video, it's gonna be a bunch of stuff. Let's just get into it. Let's get into it. And if you guys have any questions, let's do this. Let's get into it. Bam!
What's up, guys? So today we got Daniel, aka BRZ Slut, in the house. We're gonna be doing a livery on his car. I believe we're gonna be doing black rose. We haven't really decided on the color yet, but I think we're going black rose on the livery. So we're gonna be doing a front end livery, kind of split up the car, and then hopefully change the whole look. So we're getting ready for Elite Tuner this weekend on Saturday the 10th. So also check us out there and look for this one done as well. So check it out.
It's Monday, right? All right, cool. So I'm already on a good page because I know what day it is. Usually I don't know what day it is, but what do we have on deck? Is there a lot of work in there?
Sluts BRZ.
Oh God, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. That sounds hard. What's up, Lo?
What's up?
How are you?
Yeah.
And then I drove the Honda recently, and now I don't want to drive the truck because it's so comfortable.
Yeah, really.
The seat's comfortable. Got some power in it, you know. Yeah, one more time, what was your name?
Andres.
It's good to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
well, hopefully they get you dialed in, or I don't know if we're doing it today or if they're scheduling you. Okay, cool. Then see you around then, bro. I'll be around.
Sounds good.
All right, here we go. It's Monday. Gonna start on BRZ Slut's car. If you guys don't know who BRZ Slut is, go to his Instagram. That's a really, really dope page. And his car is sick. Like, out of all the BRZs we've worked on, this is probably the first one that I don't want to wrap because it just looks so good, you know. But I had mentioned this before. The thing about going to shows and attending shows and building cars is constantly wanting to change it up, and that's what he's doing. He's changing it up because he's run the paint for, as long as I can remember, and the paint job is beautiful. It's like a dark black blue, and this time around we're not wrapping the whole car. We're only going to do half of it, half portion of the car. Creatively style it and use a dark color, so it's going to still stay really dark and toned down, but I think it'd be cool to have the vinyl and paint mixture. So let's get in the process. Let's do it. And they don't want to ship it. They're like, oh, we can't ship it because the computers are down over there. And I'm like, okay, so you have the material 30 minutes away, but you want to ship it from 2,000 miles away, and at that we have to worry about it not showing up on Wednesday, maybe showing up on Thursday. So I'm gonna look into that, confirm that, and if that's the case, within the next 1 to 2 hours, I'll know where we're getting the material out of. And then I think the vinyl doesn't have free shipping because it's such a large tube and package. The roll doesn't have free shipping. I think that has a shipping charge to it already.
Okay.
So I'll go in and address that just to fix it. Some of the products won't have free shipping. You know what I mean? Because of the shipping increases that we had going into 2018, we had to change all that. So some of the products, most of the products will ship under over 25 free, but there's still some select items like the bigger parts or the bigger stuff that can't ship free. Normal business stuff. I mean, meetings all day for me, meeting with the staff, especially on Monday mornings, is super important. Talking to Lauren about anything customer service related, and then also growth-wise, we're talking about different financing programs we're going to take on. So yeah, a lot of meetings. That's what I'm doing right now. Trying to meet with every individual staff member as well as the managers here just to kind of get things in line for the week. Whoops, that was weird. What do you have?
No money.
Are we? Hey, that makes two of us. We got a fresh shirt though.
I know.
We spent all this money on that shirt.
Oh, I didn't see you guys there. So basically with these cars, we got these walk-ins, and the cool thing about these walk-ins is even though we're trying to balance all the bigger projects, we still have to focus on everybody that comes in, on the daily. So it's super dope because we get to, help out everybody at the same time, and it's super fun for us because, you know, we're constantly balancing projects, and it's just, I don't know, I think it's pretty awesome adrenaline rush. So let me get back to it.
What are you doing, Johnnee?
So for every roof wrap, we always go ahead and clay it, and then we also use a tack cloth. And what this does is basically it lifts off any like loose debris, any dust that may have fallen on the roof. And before we even wrap anything, we like to give it a nice tack cloth, and then we like to feel the surface. And if the surface feels smooth and like a baby's butt, then we're ready to wrap it.
Customer dropped off a car. We're doing a bunch of little stuff to it. First thing we're gonna be doing is a roof wrap, knocking that out, blacking out all of the chrome on the vehicle. So you got the belt around the window trim. We also took off the door handles, and we're wrapping those in gloss black because they came in chrome. You look at these things, chrome's gotta go, a little dated. So we're gonna gloss black them, put it back on, and I think that's all for now. I did advise him to do a couple other things, so I'm sure he'll be back. I'd like to do the mirrors. I'd like to do some stuff to the taillights, just to tie it all together. Let's do it. Dirt off my shoulder, huh? Huh?
What are we doing, Lo?
We're looking for a house for Vegas.
Do I have a pool? Damn. Bro, this is even solid. You guys want that house?
You guys want to come look at it?
Yes, Papa. Oh, what's the beef between you guys?
I got a shout out on the f***ing all wrapped up.
I listened to the. I know. All right.
No, he said, "Oh, you have a media team now." He's like, "Oh yeah, we brought on Jefe. I met him, this and that." I'm
No. He said, "Hey, I see you got El Jefe there now." Yeah. So he knows about you because he subscribes to your vlogs.
Oh, that's awesome.
You know what I mean? So
I'm not a vlogger, so I don't care.
You're the best vlogger in the building,
right.
bro.
It's like it.
Go watch his vlog. Listen. Go watch his personal vlog. Him and his girl, John and Allie vlogs. Best vlog ever. I need to give my boy some shout outs, so please go over there, show him the love because I think he's a little sad. Tsunami's vlog.
I'm gonna put my
Need some work. Need some work there. We are about to deliver a car. So we had a car that we finished up last week. The customer, during the time that we were wrapping his car, his wife gave birth. Congratulations to him, but he's here a week later to pick up the car. So let's go get his reaction. Let's deliver the car, and let's get some space in this shop because we're super crammed up right now. Of course, you like it?
Yeah.
Congrats on the baby, dude.
Oh, thanks, son.
When was she born?
Monday.
Monday?
29. Same birthday as my mom too.
Nice, man.
Yeah,
That's badass.
yeah.
That's badass. This is probably one of the harder bumpers we've ever done, but I think it came out really, really nicely.
Hell yeah, dude.
There is a seam here, you know, so it's up close and personal. You'll see that there is a seam. This right here is actually something that's in the bumper. If you feel it looks like a paint drip.
Yeah.
But when they paint, you gotta think that it kind of rolls down this way. But other than that, everything went good. There is a seam here. Can't really see it at all. I wish that I knew that you were coming for sure. I would have had it detailed again for you because we actually detailed it last week. I just think a nice hand wash and you're good. That's my recommendation. Just, I don't know how you normally wash your car. If you have
I always hand wash. I like hand washing my car.
Just hand wash it. You can use regular car soap. We added the banner like you asked.
Yeah.
And I think she's ready to go. Alright guys, we're going to end the vlog here. I know we're cutting it short, but we still got a lot that we're going to be doing on this thing today. We're going to film it tonight and get it edited for probably tomorrow's release. So you'll probably see another vlog tomorrow. Been a crazy day. We got a lot of stuff going on and we are trying to get all these cars done for Vegas. I mentioned this before. If you guys are going to be in Vegas for the Elite Tuner Show, please come out, come say what up, come say hi to us, come see some of the cars we're working on. Myself will be there, El Jefe will be there, John will be there, Mitch, the whole crew. We'll all be out there. I think Anthony and Mitch's car are going as well as El Jefe's. Your car's going too, right? Yes, sir. So we'll have a couple cars out there on display at the show. Gonna be a good time. We are gonna be I will be doing a quick turnaround trip. I think the rest of the crew might be staying a couple days. I don't know for sure as far as all the details, but if you guys know and watch my last vlog, my wife's pregnant, so I'm trying to get back to town as soon as I can. Hopefully she doesn't go in labor while I'm gone. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.
I just wanna rollie with a